Welcome to 22 Lyon Street in Marsden. This is a great home set in a lovely, quiet, family-friendly pocket. Come through with me. So double gate side access through to the shed. Front lounge with ceiling fan and reverse cycle air conditioning. Open plan dining and kitchen area. With glass sliding door out to the wonderful rear yard patio. Kitchen with breakfast bar, dishwasher. Electric stove overlooking this fabulous rear garden. Down the hallway, bedroom 1, ceiling fan and double built-in. Bedroom 2 with ceiling fan and built-in. And main bedroom with two-way access to the bathroom. It's a great renovated family bathroom with his and her sinks. Large shower and heat lamps. Separate toilet, again renovated. Through to laundry. And door access to the outside. Garden shed. That's a beautiful spot for a spa. Through to the outside area. So again, garden shed here. Fabulous covered patio area. Perfect for entertaining all year round. Two-bay shed and door access with power, double gate access, water tank with pump, perfect for keeping the garden green. This is very much a well-loved home. My name's Claire Franklin. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.